This is news on WhatsApp Caribbean for Wednesday, January 28th, 2015. Stay with us as we brief you on regional developments. I'm Deanza Roberts. In the headlines, the people of St. Kitts and Nevis head to the polls on February 16th, 2015. Dominica to become the fourth full member of the Caribbean Court of Justice, the CCJ, and Patrick Manning still wants to contest general elections, but would his health condition permit him? In sports, WICB seeks ICC assistance in resolving India situation. The details of these and other stories straight ahead.
Turbo charge. Dirty life. Turbo charge. Boom. The fed start. The place mad. One flash of rum. My head gone. Fall in the fed like raindrops. So when I lead, you follow me. Lord. As I reach the fed, I jump it up. Any girl I hold, I walk it up. Don't come and tell me the party done, cause I come in here to play bass. Cause right now me, turbo, boom, charge. Right now me, turbo, charge. Right now me, turbo.
In the news, Kittitians will head to the polls on February 16th, 2015 to elect a new government. Prime Minister Dr. Denzil Douglas made the announcement last night at a rally of his St. Kitts and Nevis Labour Party. He called for a peaceful election while at the same time cautioning that his supporters would not permit violence. He said election-related unrest would not be tolerated. His announcement of the date for general elections came hours after a High Court judge ruled against the opposition Team Unity's application for an injunction on grounds that the process that the Douglas administration used to redemarcate the constituencies was unfair. Nomination day for candidates for the 8 constituencies on St. Kitts and 3 on Nevis is Friday 6th, 2015. Dominica will become the 4th Caribbean community country to become a full member of the Trinidad-based Caribbean Court of Justice, the CCJ, early next month. That's according to that country's Prime Minister Roosevelt Skerrit. Dominica will join Barbados, Guyana and Belize in being members of both the original and the appellate jurisdictions of the CCJ that was established in 2001 to replace the London-based Privy Council as the region's final court. The CCJ also acts as an international tribunal interpreting the revised Treaty of Chaguanas that governs the 15-member regional integration movement. A cargo plane took an unexpected detour off the runway and into the grass yesterday afternoon in the Cayman Islands, diverting incoming flights and shutting down the airport. The incident forced the airport to close down to inbound and outbound flights as emergency crews responded to the scene. The 2 people on board the plane were not injured. The Cayman Islands Airport Authority CEO Albert Anderson says the key thing for them was safety.
The key thing for us is safety. So as long as everything is safe, especially with something like that happening, we want to be sure that the airport is safe for aircraft that are going to come in afterwards, and that's the most important thing right now.
That was Cayman Islands Airport Authority CEO Albert Anderson. The airport was reopened back to business yesterday afternoon. Former Prime Minister Patrick Manning, the longest-serving legislator in Trinidad and Tobago, has again signaled his intention to contest the 2015 general elections. Manning, aged 68, who served as Prime Minister on 2 occasions, has been parliamentary representative of the San Fernando East constituency since 1971. He told party supporters on Monday night that he was prepared to continue to be their representative in Parliament and that he had been given the go-ahead by his doctors in Trinidad and in the United States to continue his political career.
My health today is much better than it was on January the 2nd. If you wish to have me as your parliamentary representative, I am prepared to do so. And I will give my consent to all the party groups if they wish and put myself available for screening.
That was former Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago, Patrick Manning, bringing on the curtain on news. Up next, a look at sports.
Turbo charge. Dirty life. Turbo charge. Boom. The Fed start. The place mad. One flash of rum. My head gone. Fall in the Fed like raindrops. So when I lead, you follow me. Lord, as I reach the Fed, I jump it up. Any girl I hold, I walk it on. Don't come and tell me the party done, cause I come in here to play bass. Cause right now me, turbo, boom, charge. Right now me, turbo, charge. Right now me, turbo.
In sports, the West Indies Cricket Board has communicated its intent to the Board of Control for Cricket in India, that's the BCCI, to find a workable solution for the premature end of the West Indies Tour of India in October 2014. WICB's President Dave Cameron met with some of the directors of ICC and has sought their assistance in resolving the issue. The WICB say they are hopeful of finding a workable solution, and to this end will send a delegation to meet with the BCCI in the coming weeks. Off spinner Sunil Narine has withdrawn from the West Indies squad for the Cricket World Cup 2015. Narine has undergone intense remedial work on his bowling action, and preliminary tests have shown him bowling all his deliveries under the 15 degrees flexion allowance. That's according to a release from the WICB. He allegedly requires more time to be able to confidently bowl for a sustained period in international cricket with his new action. Narine says playing for Red Force and winning the Nagico Super 50 has been a big boost, but going into the World Cup is a little too much too soon. And after consulting the WICB for both West Indies and his sake, they decided to delay his return to international cricket until he is 100% confident in all that he do. That was a look at sports. Up next, a recap of the headlines.
Turbo charge. Dirty life. Turbo charge. Boom. The Fed start. The place mad. One flash of rum. My head gone. Fall in the Fed like raindrops. So when I lead, you follow me. Lord, as I reach the Fed, I jump it up. Any girl I hold, I walk it on. Don't come and tell me the party done, cause I come in here to play bass. Cause right now me, turbo, boom, charge. Right now me, turbo, charge. Right now me, turbo.
Looking back at the top stories making news, the people of St. Kitts and Nevis head to the polls on February 16th, 2015 for general elections. Dominica to become fourth full member of the Caribbean Court of Justice, the CCJ. And in Trinidad, Patrick Manning still wants to contest the country's general elections, but would his health condition permit him? In sports, the West Indies Cricket Board seeks ICC's assistance in resolving the India situation. Remember, for the latest in news, sports and other developments in the region, log on to WhatsAppCaribbean.com, like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. This was a Carib Fire production. Thanks for joining us.